Click on the link below to get price. The DuroStar DS13000MX is a robust dual-fuel portable generator that stands out in its category, primarily for its impressive 13,000-watt output and versatility in fuel options. Designed for both gas and propane, this generator provides the flexibility needed for a variety of applications, whether you're powering your home during an outage or taking it along for recreational activities. One of the most notable aspects of the DS13000MX is its powerful 500 cubic centimeters engine, which ensures reliable performance under heavy loads. Users can expect consistent power delivery, making it suitable for running multiple appliances, tools, and electronics simultaneously. The ability to switch between gasoline and propane is particularly advantageous, as it allows for extended usage without the need for refueling, especially important during emergencies. The dual fuel feature is complemented by an easy-to-use control panel, which includes multiple outlets, featuring 120V and 240V options. This layout simplifies the connection of various devices, and the included voltmeter provides clear visibility of the generator's output. Additionally, the unit is equipped with a heavy-duty steel frame and wheels, making it portable and durable enough to withstand rough handling. Noise levels are another consideration, and the DuroStar DS13000MX operates at a respectable decibel level, ensuring it's not overly disruptive during use. However, it's important to note that, like most generators of this capacity, it's advisable to use it away from living spaces to minimize sound exposure. In terms of maintenance, the generator is relatively straightforward to service, with accessible oil filters and a fuel tank that can hold enough gas for extended operation. This ease of maintenance enhances the overall user experience. Overall, the DuroStar DS13000MX is a powerful, flexible, and reliable option for anyone in need of a portable generator. Its combination of high wattage, dual-fuel capability, and user-friendly design makes it a strong contender in the market, especially for those looking for peace of mind during power outages or outdoor adventures.